بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. استكمالا أعزائي الطلاب لمراجعتنا للمنهج اللغة الإنجليزية للصف الثالث الثانوي بثانوية شعاع المعرفة. اليوم مع الوحدة الرابعة. Question number 1. Read and put true for the correct sentence and false for the incorrect one from the following. This year for my summer holiday I sailed around the Red Sea in a luxury yacht. I traveled to clear blue skies. The yacht that was to be my home for the week was named Malcolm. As soon as I got aboard, I took off my shoes and enjoyed the pleasure of walking on the cool wooden deck. My cabin was very comfortable, and above the deck there was a spacious dining area and a lounge with a TV. After dinner, I sat with some of the other guests watching the sun going down. It was very hot during the day but chilly in the mornings. It was a wonderful feeling just sitting and watching the turquoise water slide by. After a refreshing swim, we all went back to the yacht where we had lunch. During the rest of the week, I learned how to sail. I mostly spent my time swimming in the sea. At the end of the week, I felt completely refreshed. I recommend this type of holiday to anyone who wants to get away from it all. Number 1. Put true for the true sentence and false for the false one. Sentence number 1. He stayed sailing around the Red Sea for 2 weeks. The sentence here is false because it was for 1 week. Number 2. He went sailing around the Red Sea for his spring holidays. This is also false because it is for the summer holiday. Number 3. The yacht was named Malcolm. Yes, it's right. The name of the yacht was Malcolm, so the sentence is true. Sentence number 4. Above the deck there was a tiny dining room. It's false because it's a spacious dining room. Number 5. After swimming, they all went back to have lunch. Yes, that's true, because they have lunch after swimming. 6. During the rest of the week, the writer learned sailing. Yes, the sentence is right. Number 7. The meaning of take off is remove. Yes, it's also true. Number 8. The opposite of type is kind. No, it's false. The opposite of type is kind. No. The same meaning of type is kind. So the sentence is false. Number 9. At the end of the holiday, the writer felt upset. No, he felt refreshed. Number 10. The underlined pronoun it refers to the sun. No, it doesn't refer to the sun. So number 10 is false. Number 11. It was hot during the day, but it was cool in the morning. Yes, it's right. Number 12. The deck of the yacht is made of iron. No, it's false. It's made of wood. So the sentence is false. We will move to the next question, which is about grammar. A. Grammar. Choose the correct answer from the following. It was a space cold outside that the lake froze. Here the correct answer is so, because it's preceded an adjective, so cold. Number 2. The pilot managed to land the plane safely, despite the heavy rain. The correct answer here is despite, to express contrast, and it's followed by a noun. So we use despite. The correct answer here is C. Number 3. Everyone came to the meeting space the weather was bad. The correct answer here is B, which is even though. Even though also expresses contrast, but it's followed by a sentence. The weather was bad. It's a full sentence. So we use even though. The correct answer is B. Number 4. I'll take an umbrella space it rains. Here we use in case, which is A. The correct answer here is A. Number 5. He walked quietly, space nobody would hear his footsteps. To express purpose, we can use so that. So the correct answer here is C. Sentence number 6. They were space nice people that everyone enjoyed their company. We use such because it's followed by an adjective and then a noun and then that. Such nice people that. So the correct answer here is B. Number 7. My team didn't win the match, space playing well. Also to express contrast and it's followed by a gerund, we use despite. If we have a gerund or we have a noun after it. To express contrast, we can use despite. So the correct answer here is C. Number 8. This shirt isn't large space for me to wear. The only word here that we can use after an adjective is enough. Enough is coming before a noun. So the sentence will be, this shirt isn't large enough for me to wear. The correct answer here is A. Number 9. 2 new schools space in our area because of the growth in population. The sentence here is a passive sentence. So we need to use verb to be plus past participle. And it is in the future, so we can also add will. So the correct answer here is C. Will be built. Sentence number 10. Space not feeling well, he came to work. Also here, the space is followed by a gerund. And to express contrast, we can also use despite. The correct answer here is D. 11. We have space fun when going on camping trips that we go twice a year. Here we have a noun, which is fun. So we can use such a lot of. The correct answer here is B. 12. Jonathan space one of the richest men in the country. The sentence here is passive. So also we use verb to be plus past participle. It will be thought to be. The correct answer here is D. 13. Though he couldn't be seen, Kelly was here the space for help. We use here a participle for a subject. So we use the gerund, verb plus ing. The correct answer here is calling out. 14. The tickets for the football match could space earlier. The sentence also here is passive, so we need to use verb to be and past participle. Because the sentence here is in the present perfect, so we can use have been bought. The correct answer here is A. Sentence 15. Hussein rarely exercises space, he has plenty of time. To express contrast, and the space is followed by a sentence or a full sentence, so we can use although. The correct answer here is D. 16. I spaced my dishwasher repaired by a technician. When you called, here we have the rule of when there is an action which is past progressive and a past simple interrupted it. So we have the past simple after when you called. This is past simple. So we need the past progressive, which is was having. So the correct answer here is A. 17. When space your new alarm system installed. Here we need to fill in the gap and complete this question in the past simple. So we need to use the auxiliary verb or the helping verb did and the subject and the main verb. The correct answer here is B. Did you have? 18. A story space a 17-year-old boy won first prize in the competition. The sentence here is passive because the story cannot write itself. So we use the passive, which is D, answer D. It is the correct answer. Written by. 19. The doctor gave me his cell phone number, space I needed to call him. Also here we use in case to express purpose. So the correct answer here is C. We will move now to the section of vocabulary. Choose the correct answer from the following. Number 1. Is there a restaurant at the space of the Eiffel Tower? The Eiffel Tower has a top, قمة. So the correct answer here is D. Number 2. You have been given permission to space but not participate in this. Also here we use observe, يلاحظ, to learn something. So correct answer here is B. Can you remember when Ian was spaced to the marketing department? Transferred is the correct answer. Means ينتقل إلى. Number 4. The defendant refused to say anything in space to the lawyer's questions. Here we can use reply. So in reply to means ردا على. Number 5. At the space of the summer, there is a lot of humidity in New York. At the height of the summer. Height here means ذروة. Sentence number 6. The space where the president is spending his holiday is being kept secret. The location means مكان. Number 7. The captain told the soldiers to wait for his space before attacking. The correct answer here is signal, means إشارة. Number 8. James always comes space lots of interesting ways to spend the weekend. Come will take the prepositions up with means think of, يفكر فيه. Number 9. Has shown space has shown that doing exercise helps to relieve stress. What can show something is research, means أبحاث or بحث. Number 10. David is a really space person. I can always count on him. If you can count on someone or rely on someone, this someone is reliable, means يعتمد عليه. Sentence number 11. They asked me to fill in a space about my shopping habits. Questionnaire means استبيان. 12. I space broke my mother's vase, so I bought her a new one. If something happened by accident, not in purpose ليس عمدا. we use accidentally يعني بالصدفة. Number 13. Omar is space to baseball. He never misses a game. He loves this sport very much. He never misses a game. So Omar is addicted to. مدمن على. Number 14. Hackers are said to have started a computer space. Because it's related to hackers and computer, we can easily guess that the correct answer here is virus, which is A. 15. To space his point, the speaker referred to many historical facts to illustrate his point. Means explain his point of view. Illustrate يوضح يشرح. Now with vocabulary but with a different form of questions, which is match. Match the words in column A with the correct answer in column B. The first word, rapid. Rapid means fast. Means also, yes, excellent, quick. So, rapid means quick. Illuminated. Illuminated, number 2, also will take G, which is lit up. أضاء أو أشعل. Number 3, sophisticated. Sophisticated means something advanced, متقدم. Number 4, representative. Representative means typical, نموذجي. Number 5, cluster. Cluster means group. Okay? Yes. So it will take C, group. The last one, determine. Determine means decide. Decide يحدد, يقرر. Okay? So we get to the end of this unit. Till we will meet again in the revision for Unit 5. Thank you and goodbye.